Hey guys. Alright, so hello little one. I thought, why not do it properly? So I got a couple of bowls for the dog. A couple of apples for you guys. Some dog roll for doggy. And a couple of bottles of water, one for the dog, maybe one for you guys, maybe. I'll put some water in here for your doggy. Whoa. There you go, mate. It's all good. Got to look after the doggy, eh? Well, so, and just something for you guys, but I would have brought more, but I just, I just saw the dog and I thought, oh man, I got to sort the dog out. It was a nice bus driver.
V pořádku, chcete pomoct?
Když jsem mohl.
Tak na 3. 3.
Dobrý.
V pořádku.
To je tiše.
Dobrý den.
Co se stalo?
Upad na přechodu, z ničeho nic, nevíme, co se stalo.
Já tady pánové sanitku vám zavolám, jo?
Nevíte nic o tom?
Ne, tak jste pojištěný, ne, určitě. Máte pojištění, no. Tak sedněte si, pojďte si sednout na ten oblíkniček.
Have you broken down? Do you need a push? Hang on. After this white SUV goes, you want to try and turn right. Do you know which gear to be in?
Huh?
Do you want to put it in neutral?
Yeah.
Just want to pull it over here. You're safe here, the road's blocked. Is it overheated or dead battery or? No worries.
Actually, this is what I'll do. Hi, can I buy your coffee this morning? Can I buy your coffee this morning? Yeah, order whatever you want and I'll cut in front of you and I'll pay for you. Yeah. Yeah. It's for the lady behind me. She's getting it. I was just paying for her. Yeah. Thanks. Hey. You're very welcome. I saw that you also paid for the person behind you. That's awesome. Thanks so much for keeping it going. You're very welcome. Wow, you're getting married tomorrow. That's incredible. You see? It just works like that. That's awesome. Congratulations. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. Congratulations. That's amazing. That's amazing. Absolutely. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? All right. Drive safe. Hey, how are you?
Good,
Doing really good. So, what's the sweetest thing on your menu that I can buy for the next person in line?
The sweetest thing?
Yeah.
Like, you mean like sweet like sugar?
I mean, just awesome. Like what? Like, I mean, what's the like what's like if you got this thing, you'd be like, oh yes, that's awesome.
I think like a meal.
Like I don't know, maybe just like a cookie or like ice cream.
Or a cookie. Oh man.
You like cookies? Okay. All right. So, can I order one cookie for that car, the black car that's in front of me? I don't know if there's any way for her to like get it in her bag or if that.
If you want, I can go tell my operator. So
Okay.
I'll go ahead and do that really fast.
Yeah? Okay. Awesome.
Now what else can I get for you?
Oh, that's it. I just wanted to do that.
All right.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 128 for you.
Okay. Cool.
Can I have your name? Really?
Michael.
All right, Michael. All right. Have a great day.
Okay. Thanks. You too. Bye. Thanks for your help.
You're buying from Maria?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know her. I just was buying someone something. Yeah. Appreciate that. Hey, did you get your cookie? Yeah? I hope it made your day somewhat. Yeah, have a good day. You as well, thanks, bye. Hey, do you like Frosties? You do? Can I get you one? Can I buy you one? Yeah, do you like them? Would you have it? Would you eat it? Okay, I'll get you one. Let me get up there, okay? I just want to order a Frosty and it's going to go to the car behind me if that's okay.
No problem. Not to the vanilla.
Let's do, that's a good question. Let's do vanilla. Hey, that's going to go to the car right behind me, okay? Thanks guys, appreciate it. Have a good day. Hey, I hope that made your day. Yeah, have a good day, okay? Thanks. Bye. You too, thanks. Hey, that's the cutest dog I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Have a good day. You alright, man? What's up?
I hope that's, you know, my reserve come on and
Okay.
I don't have a
Yeah.
switch, you know.
Yeah.
Fuel light just comes
Yep.
on and ridden it.
Have you? Oh, I mean, open your tank.
I've been on.
Yeah, dude, I think you're dry.
Huh?
I think you're dry. Hold on. Let's get you some gas and try it. It would suck to be him, you know? It would suck. I mean, there's nobody gonna stop. Nobody's gonna stop for him. See if we can find him a gas can. We did it, man. Let's just hope it works, man.
Huh?
Let's hope it works. Yeah. There we go, man. There she goes, my friend.
Man, fired right up, dude.
That's funny, man. You're gonna remember this, though. That's what's funny about it.
Dude, you're a blessing, man. Holy cow. What a big old light you got.
Appreciate that, man.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you. Thank you very much.
No, man. Thank you, man. It's been a pleasure. Yeah, man. But hey, ride safe, please. Be careful, man. Don't run out of gas. There's gas stations right by right over there. You take a right and take another right, and you'll be good to go, my friend.
Say hi. Oh man, this is an old man. I feel bad now. Maybe he needs help parking his car. Oh no! Can I back this up for you? You're hitting the curb right now.
Understand. Thank you.
Absolutely. Just give me a few seconds, I'll have this car parked for you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You want to roll your window up and turn your car off?
Yeah, would you get my keys out?
Absolutely, I'll get your keys for you. There you go.
Thanks again.
Absolutely.
I think I was bucking the wrong horse, huh?
Have a good day.
Take care now.